You push it through the back and you break out on the other end. Right through the back there. There we go. Just like that. Right underneath the dorsal fin. It's got a good about a ½ inch clearing right there. It's gonna let you set the hook right on the fish and it's still gonna hold really well. So this is what we're gonna be predominantly using today when we're out here trying to catch these bigger shark and bigger snook. They're gonna be on our bigger rods. And then our smaller rods are gonna have a mixture of these baits for under 2 foot fish so that we can get a good smackling of different species.